Welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're going to be sharing with you a tour of a standard view den guest room. This has a king bed and a kind of a sectional living area. So we'll give you a full tour today. So I'm going to start off, say hi Dave over here.
Hi Dave.
As you come into the room, they've got a full length mirror over here. And immediately, as we walked into our room anyway, come into the bathroom area. So that opens up here. So walking into the room, we've got tile flooring, got a single sink with toiletries. So you have a cleansing bar, massage bar, makeup remover wipes, shampoo, Kleenex, got some hand towels and wash rags, got extra Kleenex and toilet paper and a hair dryer down below, a little bit of shelving down below as well. The toilet in here, trash can down there, and then a standing shower with the toiletries built into the wall as well, and a glass swing door. So it looks, and then you've got a bunch of towels over here. That's good. And you've got some towel hooks over here. So first impressions, I think the bathroom looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. I'm not noticing anything like damaged or anything like that. Pretty clean in here. Looks pretty good. In the rest of the room, all the flooring is carpet. Like this really kind of like low carpet.
There's a nice dash in the door.
Oh yeah,
I'm not super picky about such things, but it is kind of one of those.
Yeah, it looks like probably the closet door and the bathroom door like ran into each other a little bit there. Walking into the closet area, so it's not a walk-in closet, but just going to open that up and show you. So it's a decent closet space. We've got the safe down on the bottom, and you've got your luggage rack. You've got the iron and ironing board, quite a few hangers, and then looks like an extra pillow up top. All right, and then as you walk into the main part of the room, we have a nice size king bed here, 4 pillows. We've got end tables on both sides of the bed with lamps. We've got outlets on both sides as well. Looks like built into the lamps as well as an outlet that's over here. Take a look at that. We just got like a sideways outlet in the wall over here, which is nice. You can plug in directly, or if you want to, you can plug into the lamp. We've got an alarm clock there. Got a pretty wall art above the bed. I actually like that. That looks really
plug on each side of the lamp.
So you got a lot of plugins.
Plugs are big.
Plugs are a big deal. We've got a light switch over here that turns the lamps on. Set to 69 degrees right now on the thermostat, but you can adjust that to your preference. Yeah, I like the wall. I actually like the artwork on the walls in here. It's kind of beachy. So that is definitely a nice feature of these rooms. What they consider a den room is you get this sectional at the end of the space. So additional like living room space. You can sit, relax, put your feet up. They do have lights over here with plugins built into the lights as well if you need to charge any devices. Again, this is a king bed, so this gives you additional capacity for your room with the addition of the pull-out couch. Do you want to show them that, yeah. Dave? Kind of pull the covers away. I'll show you. You can just kind of move these pillows and you can get to the pull-out underneath, and it looks like that's a full size. Yeah. Looks like a full-size bed that you can pull out here so you can fit a couple more people. Looking out the window, we just have a standard view, so we're just kind of looking out at kind of parking lot and other hotels, but not bad. It could be worse. But we can see some trees. That's nice. And do you see some other guest rooms there? I'm not a big fan of that. Where you can basically, you're on a corner where you can face into other people's guest bedrooms. So be wary of that, I guess. Make sure you've got your blinds closed unless you don't care about that. Got the desk area over here. So like a little lamp.
It's a decent little area.
Yeah, it is. Nice
for work for the day. Maybe you're on vacation, but you still try to work.
Yeah, you need to do some desk work or work remotely. Yeah, it's got an Ethernet connection over here. We've got a room phone, got a desk lamp, more plugins.
I'm personally a big fan of that because Wi-Fi is unreciprocal. I like when they have that.
Yeah, I actually like that too. So it's made for people who do need to work on the go. More shelving up here, which is kind of really nice. It is a small TV.
I'd say it's probably a 40-inch.
40-inch?
Yeah, it's not huge.
It's little. And considering it's shared between the bed area and the sectional area.
It's kind of a trade-off where they gave you this shelf space and they gave you a microwave. Mm-hmm. But the condense, that's where they give you a smaller TV.
Yeah. So, and then we've got two large drawers right here. So we'll pull these out and show you really large storage drawers right here. So that's actually nice. I appreciate that. And then in this shelving over here, up top you have a microwave, just a little one, but it's nice to be able to have that in the room. And down below they have a teeny tiny, it's called an Aroma Elite Hamilton Beach commercial coffee maker. And this is probably the tiniest coffee maker I've ever seen. It's just a little.
It's enough to make it.
It says 5 cup.
I think those are small cups.
Those are small.
For us, I think that make a cup for each
Make
of
like
us.
a teeny tiny coffee maker. Yeah. We got a couple little wine glasses, ice bucket.
This actually bothers me. That's a
wine
for a
bottle
basic
opener.
Hotel room to give you a wine opener. That's a nice touch.
And the wine glasses. It's like, yeah, they know people who might want to bring wine.
Yeah, and these are real glass.
Yeah. I've got a couple regular glasses down here, and some like your teas and your coffees and your packets of your sugars and creamers, and then a couple of actual coffee cups in here. And then down below, here's the mini fridge, and it's a decent sized mini fridge.
Good size.
Yeah, it's got three areas and the shelving on the side. No freezer space, but it's a nice large mini fridge. All right, overall impressions. What do you think, Dave?
I don't notice anything as far as cleanliness. That's number one with us, obviously.
Right. We only noticed that one ding on the door, on that bathroom door.
Which is maintenance.
Right. Maintenance, not cleanliness.
Totally. Yeah, I'm happy with everything's very clean. Yeah, and this is we get a king bed. It's big with us. For 2 people, this room is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
If you had a family, you could accommodate them as well. I kind of like having the couch, and then you can deal with the pull-out versus having 2 beds, but having that couch area is great. So I think it's a great option. Being this close to Disneyland is very affordable. Lots of amenities around here.
What was the rate that we booked? So we're here in
It's
September.
a little over $200 a night.
Okay.
This is kind of mid-range.
Mid-range.
It can get up over 300 peak times probably, but you can get it for like 150. I'm guessing.
It ranges depending on the time of year. Yeah.
It's a nice affordable option near Disneyland, and I love the location. It's walking distance.
Yeah, there's a Starbucks downstairs. There's a
Starbucks.
Blaze Pizza place. There's a Walgreens. There's so much here within walking distance and just right below the hotel.
Yeah.
And the hotel has a full breakfast buffet in the mornings as well. We'll show you guys that and everything you can enjoy with the breakfast.
It's a pretty good breakfast buffet, and that's a nice free breakfast. Go down there in the morning, get that taken care of, especially if you have kids. Get everybody fed, and then go off to the park. So,
Yep, we're really pleased so far. So. Thanks for, we'll show you more of, kind of more tour of the hotel and the breakfast buffet, and stay tuned for more.
There's some good information to know. Check the sheet they give you at check-in. So Monday through Friday, breakfast is 6:30 to 9, but on Saturday and Sunday, it's a little different, 7 to 10. Pool hours are 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. That's on the 2nd floor. Fitness center is 24 hours. They do have a laundry room to go do your own laundry. Parking fee here is $28. We do not have a vehicle, and that's one of the reasons why it's usually a pretty hefty fee. You're able to Chromecast to the TV. That's a nice little feature. There is a nice little bar next to the check-in downstairs, and they have happy hour. They told me from 5 to 6. That's not on here, but today it's 5 to 6, and they're open from 5 to 10. Free Wi-Fi, of course, and checkout is at noon. I like this too. They've got this right in here. There is a Starbucks right kind of attached to the hotel. It's not part of the hotel, but it's right next door, and they've got the QR code right there if you want to go ahead and order it. So where you actually pull in to check in is over here. See, we're actually back off the main road. Then you can go back over here, get kind of a back entrance into Blaze Pizza and Starbucks. Might actually be a dumpling place opening soon. Look at that. So over there's a back entrance to Walgreens. Oh, and that's an IHOP. And several food places here. The dumpling place is actually open. There's Blaze Pizza, and then right here, of course, it's just a typical little Starbucks here. It's nice that it's right next to the hotel. And right there, you can look out and actually see the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. Here's the corner right by the hotel. So across the street there's a CVS and a Walgreens right next to the hotel. Just walk down that street and you can see the Guardians Tower. Not too far to Disneyland, but the hotel is right here. Look at the lobby areas. They've got a nice seating area in here and a Little bar, they serve drinks from 5 to 10 over there next to the check-in. Seating area here, and over here is where they do the breakfast in the mornings. Give you a good look at that, but nice to see it while it's empty. Lots of seating in here. It's a really big room, actually. Even more out there. Yeah, so they can accommodate a lot of people in here, actually. Take a look at the pool area. The pool area is located on the second floor, right next to the fitness center. Got lots of chairs around, some with umbrellas, some without. They're all around the pool. It's a fairly small pool, but large enough. See, there's some comfortable lounge seating here on the side, so it's an impressive amount of seating if you just want to come out here and relax. They have the pool area, and then they have a hot tub back here. And there's also towels. There are towels by the pool located at both ends, and bathrooms right over there by the fitness center. Another thing I noticed, they actually have a little area to shower off over here if you wanted to just rinse off after the pool. And a lot of people like to, if they're here early before they're able to get into the room, might just come hang out at the pool, so that's a good option too. Right by the pool they have the fitness center. There's some nice newer machines. Actually a decent sized room in here. So there's treadmills and bikes, some elliptical machines, a couple more treadmills over here, another elliptical. They've got towels over here, some mats and rollers. They do have a water here, so you can fill up your water if you don't want to bring it. It's nice. They actually provide headphones here that you can deposit in there when you're done with. It's a nice little touch. And a weight rack. Just like one bench here, but you could actually get a full workout in here. It's pretty decent for this size hotel. Brings that in, looking right out on the pool out there. So there is a guest laundry. It's located on the 5th floor. They do have a coin machine, so you don't have to worry about having change as long as you have cash. And it takes 1 5s, 10s, or 20s. Here they do have the Tide, the Downy, and the dryer sheets. They're $1.25 each. These number of machines. This is a large hotel though, so certain times it might get full. Here are the washers. The washers are $3. And the dryers, looks like those are $2. Well, if you need to do some laundry, that is an option here. Here's the breakfast buffets. So they've always have eggs to start with. Scrambled eggs. And they do pork sausage. So I've been here a couple days. One day they were the links.
The links, and then sometimes they were patties.
Yeah, they've got the patties too. Tater tots.
One day there was breakfast potatoes.
Yeah. So there's always a potato option. And they rotate between
potatoes and
pancakes and waffles. Yeah.
Nice hot breakfast.
And they have your cereals. Fruit Loops and Frosted Flakes.
Yesterday there was cornflakes, so that probably
so these change a little bit too. I think they always have Fruit Loops though. Of course, milk for your cereal. They have ketchup and syrup and hot sauce over here.
Syrup.
And we've got bagels and toast. And then they have different jellies. Jellies, peanut butter, and honey. Strawberry and a grape jelly. They have wheat and white toast. Over here they have oatmeal. All the fixins, granola, and brown sugar and raisins. Bowls. And they have some fruit, bananas, and oranges. And they're also doing yogurt.
Some stuff chilled over here, so you got the cream cheese and the butter.
Yeah, so just some plain vanilla yogurt. And then they have some berry combo you can mix in there as well. And the cream cheese over here you can have for your bagel.
They're keeping it chilled, but that's good.
Yeah.
And then there's the fresh fruit.
Mixed berries. And your melon options. And that's basically the buffet. So they have it's a big area. They've got 2 sides. So it's been really crowded here some mornings, but you're still able to get through really fast. And they've got lots of seating out here. On over this side, they do have a little different options. So this side, they have these little donuts.
Donut holes.
Donut holes. They don't have full donuts, but they do have these donut holes.